Switching operating systems can feel like a big leap, but Zorin OS makes it a joyride. Designed with Windows users in mind, Zorin OS bridges the gap between the familiar and the exciting world of Linux. Imagine a system that's both powerful and easy to use, where you can effortlessly navigate and get things done. That's the magic of Zorin OS. One of the things that sets Zorin OS apart is its commitment to user-friendliness. From the moment you boot it up, you'll be greeted with an interface that feels instantly familiar. Zorin OS ensures a smooth transition, allowing you to dive right in without missing a beat. But Zorin OS is much more than just a familiar face. Under the hood, you'll discover a robust and secure operating system that's built for speed and stability. Say goodbye to the frustrations of constant updates and the fear of malware. With Zorin OS, you're not just switching operating systems, you're embracing a smarter way to compute. Get ready to experience the best of both worlds, the comfort of the familiar, and the excitement of something truly extraordinary. Stepping into Zorin OS is like entering a familiar room with a refreshing new look. You'll instantly recognize the classic Start menu, nestled comfortably in the bottom left corner, ready to launch your favorite applications. The taskbar, stretching across the bottom of your screen, keeps your frequently used programs just a click away. Icons, those friendly visual cues, are laid out in a way that feels intuitive and natural. Navigating through folders and files is a breeze, thanks to the familiar structure of the Zorin OS file manager. It's like reconnecting with an old friend. You instantly know your way around. Zorin OS goes beyond simply mimicking Windows. It refines the experience. The interface feels sleek and modern, offering a refreshing change from the sometimes clunky feel of traditional desktops. And don't worry about being tied to a single look. Zorin OS allows you to customize the appearance to match your taste with various themes and layouts to choose from. The beauty of Zorin OS lies in its ability to feel instantly familiar while offering a superior computing experience. It's the perfect blend of comfort and innovation, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned Windows users and newcomers alike. With Zorin OS, you won't skip a beat when it comes to getting things done. The operating system comes preloaded with a suite of powerful applications that are remarkably similar to their Windows counterparts. Need to craft a compelling document? LibreOffice is here to the rescue, a feature-rich alternative to Microsoft Word. For browsing the web, you have a choice of familiar faces. Firefox and Chrome are both readily available, ensuring a smooth transition for your daily browsing habits. And when it comes to managing your emails, Thunderbird has you covered, offering a robust and user-friendly email client that's on par with Outlook. But Zorin OS doesn't stop there. It opens a door to a world of open-source software, providing access to a vast library of free applications that cater to every need. Whether you're a creative professional, a programming enthusiast, or simply looking for efficient tools to manage your daily tasks, Zorin OS has something for everyone. The transition to Zorin OS is seamless, ensuring you can continue working and playing without missing a beat. It's a testament to Zorin OS's commitment to providing a user-friendly experience that empowers you to do more right from the start. Embarking on your Zorin OS journey is surprisingly simple, even if you're new to the world of operating system installations. The first step is to head over to the official Zorin OS website and download the installation file. Don't worry, the website provides clear instructions and even offers different versions of Zorin OS tailored to specific needs. Once you've downloaded the file, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive. This might sound technically daunting, but Zorin OS makes it a breeze with a user-friendly tool called Zorin OS Image Writer. Simply select the downloaded file in the USB drive, and the tool will handle the rest. Now comes the exciting part: installing Zorin OS on your computer. You have two options: install it alongside your existing Windows operating system, allowing you to choose between the two when you start your computer, or replace Windows entirely with Zorin OS. The installation process itself is straightforward, guiding you through a series of simple steps. You'll be prompted to choose your preferred language, set your time zone, and create your user account. Zorin OS makes the entire process seamless and intuitive, ensuring a smooth transition to your new operating system. In no time, you'll be greeted by the welcoming desktop of Zorin OS, ready to explore a world of possibilities.